The Bulls versus the Bears. Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com.
Hello out there, tackle trading traders. This is Coach G bringing you another awesome option report for January 30th, 2016. Before I do that, I want to jump back at last week. Let's go back a week and look at how awesome we did on the January 23rd report. I'm going to click in here and just briefly go over this real quickly in case you missed it. By the way, there's a video on top for the outlook, like the one you're doing right now. Last week on the Bulls team, Dominion, we had calls triggered right in here. Let me put that in there so you can see it. We had calls triggered right in here. Very profitable for a utility company. Not a lot of profit, but a nice move. And utilities was our only sector bullish at that time. So already taking profit on those calls. Next bullish trigger for calls was gold. Right out of the gate. Here's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Monday we jumped up, triggered, and Tuesday we were taking profit and still looking bullish. I still have a few calls left in that position. Already took some off. Again, a winner. So two bullish winners. On the Bears side, how do we do? Adobe. Here's Friday. Monday, here's the trigger, the swing high. And we were stopped out Friday. But look at the 4 days move down. That was a home run. Nice move, nice profit on the puts. Very nice drop. It was a good 6 to 7 point drop there from the trigger. Very nice winner. And another winner, ANAC. Look at this one here. Triggers here right out of the gate and a big old drop there. We're talking from, was that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? That was 92 down to a low of 72. That's about a 20-point drop. Definite home run. Probably trade of the year so far. Another home run on the Bears team. So far that was 4 winners, 4 picks in a row from Bulls and Bears. They both did quite well. Let's check out our credits. Silver. Did an at-the-money covered call. Bought the stock and sold the at-the-monies right here. Now they're slightly in the money, the calls, waiting for time decay. So it's pure theta play. It's a nice return depending on if it's a margin or a retirement account. Still sitting right where I wanted at 1350-ish. Letting that theta work for me. Another covered call winner. Priceline. Priceline is a bear call spread. We sold calls up in this area and protected them with a long call. So it's a bear call credit spread. Really far out of the money. And here was Monday. Look where it is now. It's gone in our direction. Already taken some off. Priceline already profitable. Another winner. Tesla. Look at this move down from Monday. Again, a bear call credit spread up in this area. Another profitable credit spread already. Trying to close this for about 25, 30 cents. Already took a few off. Another credit spread winner. AAP, we were trying to get a credit for $1. Did not like the move Monday. Wasn't liking the credit. Never triggered. Do not like that trade. We did not trigger in on that one. And that's good because I don't like the move up. Wasn't acting right on Monday. And by the way, credit spreads you can see here. These are possible credit spreads. You don't have to take all of them. These are just ones that I'm looking at on the open Monday and Tuesday if I could get a decent credit. Finally, last week, option report, Fleur, looking to do a diagonal calendar, but it never triggered in. It went down completely from the start on Monday, so we never hit our trigger at or above 30.75. So review. 2 bulls, 2 winners. 2 bears, 2 winners. 4 credit spreads, 3 entered. 3 showing profit already. Never triggered on AAP, never triggered on Fleur. There you have it. That was last week's option report. What do we have this week? This week, what am I looking at? Hopefully we have just as good of a run. We'll see. We have one bull trade here on CRE. Take a look at CRE. I like the layout of this. Why? Because if you look here, we got resistance. Here's our trigger right about there. I think the 3rd, 4th time it's going to tap on this breakthrough. I think this one will be the one that takes it to newer highs here. If so, I'm going to scalp some profit on the way out. And that's the only bullish. And then on bears, we have CAA, Cal Atlantic Group, looking to trigger down here on the puts. If it continues its bearish run. And FFIV, looking to trigger below this low right here. It's a nice swing high right here. There's room to the downside for puts there. On credits, Biogen, looking to sell a credit spread up here. I have to see Monday's action. I'm going to wait till the stock gets down here to initiate that credit spread. And that's why it says right here, looking to trigger this in about 265.60. The second credit spread, MELI, otherwise known as Mercado Libre. Got a trigger right below here. As you can tell, this is a nice downtrending stock. Be careful, earnings coming up. I don't like to hold these things through earnings, so I will exit these credit spreads before earnings. And then last but not least, one of my favorite stocks to trade, Apple. Apple, we have a debit con. In other words, a debit condor. By the way, under these different strategies or credit spread, debit spread, and the different sections here, you'll see links to videos that give you not only rules, but example videos on how to do them. So Apple looking to do a debit condor. That means I have a bullish spread. You bring that up here. A bullish spread in case it goes up this way, and a bear spread if it goes down. And the triggers on this one are on the upside, 101 by 104 and 93 by 90. So basically, got a spread at 101 up here and above, and a spread down here at 94 to 91. A 3-point spread in both directions. If it goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you make money. I do not want it to go sideways. For the rules on that, here's the debit condor rule. Just click there. This will bring up a page in a new tab. The rules on debit condors. You could download them right here. This is a strategy I pretty much made up. And here's another one right here on a Debicon, otherwise known as a debit condor. A Thinkorswim video I did on how I set it up in Thinkorswim. You just click that, and this will show you how we do it. By the way, in the videos, in case you don't know it, you can click here, raise the definition on it, click the cogwheel, raise the definition so the video comes in clear, and you can maximize it here so it's full screen. Look how nicely that video looks. Thinkorswim trick. We're going to use this setup here on you. And there's some detailed instructions. Just so you know, high definition's down here. You can raise it as high as you want. And you can maximize the screen. And you can even jump into YouTube over here. And another little trick, you guys. We've got a lot of videos to help you out there. If you click Tackle Trading right below the YouTube video right there, here's our channel of all of our videos. That'll keep you busy for weeks and months. There you have it. Another wonderful trading week ahead. Enjoy and stay tuned to Tackle Trading.
Get in the game. www.tackletrading.com